One of our project which we applied for Nilima Roshan Award is water purifier. The project aims at making a water purifier which is very cheap and very efficient. This water purifier can be put into a bottle, as you can see in the lid. As soon as we are filling the water bottle with the water and we keep the lid off, the purifier start doing its work. After 5 minutes we are getting a pure water out of this bottle. So next we designed a stick of water purifier. If you stir this stick in any container having water, that water gets purified after 5 minutes. Also we have another model which is a water purifier for tap. You should put this purifier in a tap so that water coming from tap gets purified by carbon monoxide. And further explain this.
There are many methods of water purification system. There is ceramic method, reverse osmosis method, activated carbon method, and etc. In this water purifier, we have used activated carbon method. This water purifier consists of an activated carbon stick to a stick inside the filter. Once the water enters the bottle, the water passes through the filter, mixes with the activated carbon. This water purifier consists of activated carbon filters fitted inside the stick, and outside it there is a water filter. It means once the water is poured in the bottle, the water moves through the filter, enters the activated carbon region where the dirt particles are adsorbed on the activated carbon filter and then removed from the water filter, which is white in color. You can see. Now the further market study will be explained by my friend Pratik Lotia.
The market for the water purifier is very large. Per year, the current market is 3.2 thousand crore, and by 2015 it is expected to grow by 7,000 crore. And each year 78 lakh units are sold. So this will be very useful in sociopreneurship. Villagers and other poor people who cannot buy the expensive water filters, we can sell them at very cheap rates. The current rate of this water purifier is just rupees 150, and when produced in bulk amount, it can the rate can reduce to rupees 100 only.
Now coming to the part of the future of this project is very cheaper than other projects like Tata Swachh, Aqua Shore, others. Then again it is easy to replace and use. It can purify around 300 liters of water per stick. The next thing is applications. It is basically applied in water bottles. Then coming to the containers having waters, in that also we can apply by putting on the lid. Then we made a stirrer also, which can be applied in any water container depending on the size and the amount of the water. Thank you.
Also there is one thing. This is a tap water filter. We can attach this model directly on the water taps so that the water flowing through the taps gets adsorbed on the activated carbon filter, which is attached in between this, and then the filtered water can again be received from the other end of this instrument.
So basically, this purifier can be fitted into any device. You can adjust it into any size. Thank you.
Thank you.